The LG V20 gives you here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G for Sprint. So this is a new phone for Sprint. So this phone is available. This phone is available as of June 19th, 2020. So this is a nice little phone, and this phone has 5G on it, of course. So this is the phone. Most of you guys will have a whole bunch of front-facing camera. Power and van case will be on the right side of the phone there. This one's available for $15 a month. Or if you guys want to get this one full retail price, it'll be $600 full retail price, alright? So it's not too bad. It's available in black, and you have 128 gigabytes of storage. So that's really nice there. So on the back of the A71, you guys will have 4 cameras like it is on the Galaxy S20 phones. So you'll have the same camera design like it is on the Galaxy S20. So you guys have your camera photos, and you'll have your Samsung over there on the back. Sorry about that. On the right side of the phone, like I said, power and RAM keys. The camera does stick out there just a bit, so they keep that in mind. There's the back of it again. Pretty nice looking phone. It looks like it's like two-toned, and it probably is. Oh, it's kind of interesting. It looks like it's two-toned. Oh, interesting. And then on the left side of the phone, you'll have nothing. So I'm guessing your SIM card slot is on top of the phone, I guess. And then here's the back again, of course, the camera flash, something like that, and it does look like it's two-toned down back. Then that's it there. Alright. So like I said, this one's $15 a month, or it is $600 for the retail price. So the Galaxy A71 has a 6.7-inch Infinity display. You will have all the battery, a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, so that's nice, fast charging, and you will have fast charging, and of course 5G. Alright. So it says here, introducing the Galaxy A71 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A71 5G lets you experience 5G connectivity and premium features all at a breakthrough price, $600 for retail price. View your entertainment with exquisite clarity on a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity display, capturing professional grade photos with a versatile quad lens camera, and take smooth, stable videos while moving. Enjoy the long-lasting, fast-charging battery that keeps you going. The A71 5G gives you all-access pass to the 5G revolution, combining amazing features with next-gen connectivity on America's largest 5G network. Alright. Introducing our most affordable 5G smartphone. Now everyone can experience America's most reliable 5G coverage. So I guess this is the cheapest 5G phone on the spot. So it's pretty nice. Pretty great camera, pretty great shots with this tap. Shoot professional grade photos and videos with the A71's 5G quad lens camera. Shoot epic landscapes, dramatic portraits, and super clear and steady video. With the 64 megapixel main lens, it will capture all the beautiful details just as you see them. So there's your cameras up there. So you will have a 64 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel depth camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. So that's pretty cool. And you also have camera flash as well. Bigger, brighter, bolder. Take your entertainment and exquisite clarity and dramatic contrast on this massive 6.7 Super AMOLED Plus Infinity display. Power to keep you going. Power to keep going. Scroll, snap, insert more with the long-lasting fast-charging battery. That will be 4,500 milliamps. Smooth, stable shots. You can take remarkably crisp Ultra HD quality video of fast music. You can take remarkably crisp Ultra HD quality video of fast moving action while you are moving. Its stability function makes photos and videos look super smooth with minimum blur. So, okay, so back to the top. Check the specs, of course. The specs on here are good. So you will have a 4,500 battery, Bluetooth, I say 5.0, dimensions 6.67, supports D plus infinite DO display that's 2400 by 1080 pixels, capacitive keyboard, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and micro SD up to 1 terabyte. Android 10 with one UI. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 725 octa-core processor. Talk time up to 36 hours, and the A71 5G at 6.52 ounces. So the specs from here are good for what it is. For $600, you're getting $600. This is a great deal for $600. And what you get in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A71 5G smartphone, Type-C charging cable, 25 watt charger, SIM card install, ejection pin, and you also get insert Samsung Care and photo, video info. I'm not sure what that means. You also get a UV protective film. So pretty cool. So for $600, the A71 5G is worth it in my opinion. So if you guys want to get this one, that's definitely worth $600. It's definitely worth it. $600, you are getting great specs for $600 plus 5G. So it's definitely worth it. So if you guys are looking for a 5G phone for cheap, $600 is not cheap by any means. But the A71 5G is the cheapest 5G phone that's been right now. So it's definitely worth picking up. The phones look very nice. Cameras look nice. The specs look great. So for $600 for retail price or $15 a month, it's definitely worth the pickup. You know, it looks very nice. So yeah. So there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy A71 5G at Sprint. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.